Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we will see how you can find the MIME type of any extension. We have this small code here, and here we are saying we want to find the MIME type of the extension .pdf. So we have this file extension content type provider available in .NET, and it can provide you the MIME type as a out parameter once you pass the extension into this. We will see how this works. Okay, so we will run the application. So currently we want to see the MIME type for .pdf, and here we will pass the extension .pdf here, and then it will return the MIME type application slash pdf. Now similarly we can change the extension to some other extension, and then we can again run the application to see what will be the MIME type for this. So now we have passed the .jpg, and now the MIME type will be image slash jpeg. This is how you can find the MIME type of any extension, because sometimes you need the MIME types for exporting purpose and some other purposes also. So this will help you in finding the MIME type. So thank you guys, and you can get the code from the blog link in the description. So thank you.